Aerosols have important impacts on three things that are really important in our lives. Those are health, visibility, and climate. And I'm going to talk about those things in that order. So the health impact from aerosols happens when you breathe them in. They're very, very small particles that can get really deep into your lungs. And there they can do one of two main things. They can irritate the tissues, or they can transfer chemicals that are absorbed on the particles into the wet tissue of your lungs. And both of those can have really dangerous health impacts. The second one is visibility. A lot of these particles scatter light in the atmosphere. This can lead to really pretty sunsets, but it can also mean that light is scattered when you want to look at a vista, like at the mountains here in Colorado, or across the open plains somewhere else. Or they can also scatter light and decrease visibility for aircraft pilots and any place where you have a long vista. So that doesn't maybe have a direct impact on how you live your daily life, but can impact how you view the world. The third is about climate, and aerosols have two main impacts on climate. One is related to clouds and how clouds are formed and what type of droplets the clouds have. And the other is directly about how radiation can be absorbed or scattered by those by the particles in the atmosphere. So this can lead to heating and cooling of the climate depending on how the particles change the radiative balance, either absorbing energy from the sun or reflecting it back into space.